Alright, in today's video we're going to be cutting open a couple of Thunderegg nodules. So these are some pieces that we found out in Arizona about a month ago when we were traveling through there. So we're going to go ahead and cut these two Thundereggs open and see what we got. Which one do we want to cut first, Josiah?
I'm going to start with the real one.
Alright, so this one's broken. You can see it's broken open pretty much, but let's go ahead and get it wet. And you can see it's got some good agate, quite a bit of agate on this one side of it. So we're going to go ahead and cut it and see if we can see any more inside of it. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I went ahead and cut it open. So let's see what we got. Got some really pretty banding in there. We didn't get any of that agate in there really. But they'll still look really nice, polished up. And we tried to cut it to avoid cutting through this nice agate chunk right here. That's really pretty. You got some nice swirls in there. Really nice piece of agate right there. Anyways, up next we're going to cut this big guy. Let me zoom back out. And try to avoid cutting through this window or this little geode pocket thing right here. And try to cut around it a little bit. Maybe we'll cut part of it in the back here. So, but it's got some really pretty color, nice pink color. That pink jelly-like texture. So, all right, we're gonna cut this open and we'll see what we get. See you guys in a minute. All right, so I went ahead and cut that. Let's see what we got, Josiah. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. Wow. It's got some beautiful patterns in there. That's crazy. I'll definitely be polishing this up. A little bit of a broken spot right there. Yeah, that's beautiful. See if I can, oops, sorry. See if I zoom in for you guys a little bit. But yeah. That's real pretty. Alright, so anyways, here's the other half. Some real nice detail in there. Real pretty. We don't have any of that chalcedony or agate going through there, unfortunately, but sometimes you never know till you cut them open. So well, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.